Howdy doody buckaroonies, you know, big gumdrop back at it again. Out here with Pops and out here with my brother at this little pond. Hopefully we can get on some fish. It's been a minute since I've made a video, but it's gonna be a fun day, as you can hear in the background. But let's get after it. First cast, he's already out here catching a little something. He's gonna be talking trash all day long. Throwing the chatterbait, black and blue, with a little zoom. Not exactly what the soft plastic is. Got the same Abu Garcia bait casting combo. I don't know how well you guys can see into the water, but there's a lot of vegetation. And about, probably once it's not too deep out there, I might switch up the presentation. Just because my chatterbait keeps on getting caught in the weeds. Throw this around a little bit, walk around, see if maybe we can find somewhere that it opens up. That was a big bullfrog. Dad just caught some. Is it nice?
That's right.
On a minnow.
On a minnow, baby.
Okay.
That's what I'm telling you. Yeah.
I'll give you props. I'll give you props.
There you go.
Just caught this right out there. Forgot to record it, but show you guys the bait that I switched up to. Switched to this weedless jig. But yeah, nice little thing. So the GoPro died, and we went to a different spot, and I'm just gonna show you guys what I just caught real quick and what I caught it on. I just caught this crappie on the same jig that I caught the bass on. It's pretty crazy. And yeah, GoPro's dead, so I can't show you guys any more action shots, but might as well still make a video for catching fish. Dad's caught about 4. Anthony caught 1 at the new spot. Dad caught those 4 at the last spot, but hopefully we can get on some more. Just caught another one, but he's caught up in that little bush, so I went and got the muck boots, about to go get him. So this is the fish that I just went out and got. Ended up having to go down to my draws because my boots weren't high enough and the water started going over them, so stripped down and went and got it. I'll get a length on her because it's pretty big. So forgot to make an outro, so here it is. Had a pretty successful day out on the water. I caught that 1 bass and then those 2 crappies. One was 10 inches, the other one was like 12 or 14, something around there. Dad caught that couple panfish and then that bass, and then Anthony caught, I think, a panfish too, but really nothing too big. Excited for the rest of the season. Hopefully we can get out there and get after some more fish, and yeah, big gumdrop out.